The Aeronautical Development Establishment ADE is an ISO 9001-2008 certified laboratory under the aegis of the Defence Research and Development Organisation, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Its mission is to design and develop aeronautical systems to meet the current and future needs of the services and progressively enhance the technological infrastructure and capabilities. The vision of ADE is to be a center for development of state-of-the-art aeronautical systems for the armed forces. ADE has designed and developed entire spectrum of world-class UAVs, Lakshya Aerial Target UAV, Nishant Surveillance UAV, Rustom-1 Conventional Takeoff and Landing Surveillance UAV, Mini Slybird and Micro Pushpak.
ADE, established in 1959, is a DRDO establishment engaged in the development of unmanned aerial vehicles and systems for manned aircraft. It is a systems laboratory with design and development capabilities in aerodynamics, flight control systems, structures, telemetry, mission sensor technologies, including image exploitation softwares, ground control stations for the UAVs, avionics test systems for the flight control systems, avionics, structures, etc. Systems engineering, building aircraft simulator, integration and flight trials are also its activities. The telecommand transmitters and receivers are built by DEAL Dehradun, a DRDO laboratory, launchers by R&D engineers Pune, propulsion systems by VRD Ahmednagar and GTRE Bangalore. The recovery parachutes are made by ADRD Agra for the establishment. The lab is situated in a green campus having 100 acres of land close to Indiranagar and employs about 1,200 personnel. The lab has a number of infrastructural facilities such as fabrication facility for electronic and mechanical prototype hardware, environmental test facilities, in addition to the test rigs mentioned earlier. Let us now look at the recent projects and programs, including those delivered from the laboratory to the services.
Lakshya-1 is a high-speed subsonic reusable aerial target system. It is launched from zero-length launcher either from land or ship with rocket-assisted takeoff. The upgraded Lakshya-2 is capable of being flown in clean as well as in tow configurations at very low altitudes, 15 meters in clean. Lakshya-2 is capable of being launched and controlled in flight from a mobile or fixed ground system up to a range of 100 kilometers. The salient features of Lakshya-2 are high subsonic speed, high maneuverability, full authority digital flight control, low-level flight in clean 15 meters, tow configuration 50 meters, tow body augmentation in 3 IR seeker bands, RCS augmentation, visual flare, smoke flares, acoustic or Doppler misdirection indication, RCS augmentation of tow body and RCS reduction of Lakshya-2 for BVR missile firing. Enhanced flight endurance, 50 minutes. Nishant is a highly mobile, compact and anywhere deployable self-propelled, slow-speed UAV used in multi-missions as day or night battlefield reconnaissance, surveillance, artillery fire correction and target tracking and localization. It is launched from a hydro-pneumatic launcher and can fly for 4.5 hours and is recovered with aero-conical parachute and impact attenuation system. The air vehicle has autonomous flight capability, jam-resistant command link and digital download and is operated from a user-friendly ground control station. The Gimbaled Payload Assembly or GPA is an advanced, lightweight multi-mission remotely steered payload with daylight TV and forward-looking infrared camera. The payload is capable of detecting human beings at a distance of 1.5 to 2.5 kilometers, trucks at 4 to 5 kilometers, and buildings at 10 to 12 kilometers. Abhyas is a high-speed expendable aerial target being developed at ADE. This highly maneuverable target can fly up to speeds of 150 meters per second with an endurance of 45 minutes. Abhyas is launched by two 68 rockets from a mobile launcher and sustained in flight by a jet engine. Abhyas has an integrated avionics package using MEMS-based inertial management unit and a flight control computer. Abhyas also has an acoustic miss distance indicator to indicate the miss distance of various weapons fired against it. The ground control station displays the target path during flight along with various other flight parameters. The first trial launch of Abhyas was carried out on the 23rd of June 2012, and many more developmental flights leading to the production of the target are planned shortly. ADE also provides a platform to share operational experiences gained and lessons learned by the major military powers currently deploying unmanned systems. It also creates opportunities for alliances between India and international entities to gain access to the state-of-the-art technologies. Highest international activities related to unmanned systems certification and air traffic management, and provide exposure to unmanned systems technologies, their applications, issues and future directions. Thus, India recognizes the force multiplier effect of unmanned systems and the important role they are expected to play in defense, security and civil applications.